Calle Centrale Tower 1 construction update. Your urban haven. Introducing Calle Centrale, a high-rise residential condominium designed to offer comfort, convenience and a thriving community. Whether you're starting fresh, upgrading your space or investing for the future, Calle Centrale has the perfect home for you. Studio unit 22.00 SQM. 1-bedroom unit 28.65 SQM. 2-bedroom unit 69.28 SQM. Why Calle Centrale? Located in a prime area at 60 to 62 Calle Industrial Road, BRGY, Burgumbian, Quezon City. Just minutes away from the bustling BGC lifestyle. Affordable monthly down payments starting at only 15,000 Cuban pesos. Perfect for professionals, young families, or investors looking to maximize rental income. Enjoy modern living with excellent amenities, prime accessibility, and a vibrant neighborhood to call your own. Don't wait to make this life-changing investment. Introducing Calle Centrale, the most affordable condo in Libis near Eastwood City. Starting at just 9,000 Cuban pesos per monthly DP. Secure your dream home with Studio, 1BR, 2BR units available. Pre-selling, no spot DP required. Perfect for smart investors, earn passive income and watch your property. Value appreciate over time. First-time homebuyers live in a prime location and enjoy the convenience of condo living. Savvy renters rent out your unit on Airbnb and earn extra income. Strategically located near Pasig, 4.7 kilometers. Ortigas Center, 5.5 kilometers. BGC, 10.4 kilometers. Makati, 12.2 kilometers. Cityscape hash surrounded by popular townships. Bridgetown, 2.3 kilometers. Ortigas East, 4.2 kilometers. Parklinks, 3 kilometers. Eastwood City, 0.5 kilometers walking distance. Arcovia City, 5.8 kilometers. Calle Centrale, your thriving urban haven in Quezon City. Newest project. Round Pushpin Calle Industrial Road, BRGY. Burgumbian, Quezon City.